Hey folks, so I was able to watch the first episode of Incognito on Netflix. Ito ang pinakabagong series ng ABS-CBN and it's action. Of course, if it's Richard Gutierrez, it must be action, di ba? Anyways, Incognito, it's like the expendable. So basically, we have a band of misfits, of people na may mga abilidad and karamihan sa kanila, I believe, are from the military. But somehow, napariwara sila. Yung iba by choice, yung iba hindi. And now they need rackets. So, they accepted the mission which is to retrieve yung si Bel Mariano. So, Bel Mariano, ano siya? Actually, Japanese yung role niya and Raymond Bagatsing. So, mag-ama sila. Then, she gets kidnapped during an event. Then, yeah, that's it. Gusto actually ipalit ulo, like, may papalayaing terrorist in exchange for her freedom. So, it's not about the money, but it's more of a political thing. And see, Ian Veneracion, siya yung parang pinaka nagre-recruit sa kanila. So, I found it very ma-action and kind of bloody. So, like, maraming nategi na mga medyo kilalang face na lumalabas na. But then, tegi agad sila first episode. I would have to rate this 3 out of 5 stars. For me, parang it could have been faster. Like, sa first episode, parang dalawa pa lang in-introduce na backstories. Like, Richard, no. We have actually yung kay Daniel Padilla, who's like, may lahi siyang Igorot, I believe. Anyways, that then, biktima sila ng land grabbing na kanyang family. So, yeah, kaya eventually he ends up with a, murder case and gets discharged dishonorably from the military. Then we have Baron Geyser, who's an A-sniper, and I've heard he's like a good doctor, and she likes Ian, but yeah, he's just an A-sniper. Then, yeah, he just came from the rehab, so did alcohol and drugs. Realistic, charot. Yeah, I think, pwede sigurong short. Nahabaan kasi ako sa backstory. Parang for me, sana ginather muna sa first episode lahat. Pero sa bagay, we only have 30 minutes sa first episode, 35. So, I don't know. Sana matapos namin by bukas or I don't know, mamaya ba yun? Basta yung second episode kasi first pa lang talaga pinanood ko. Yung backstory ng lahat. So, I guess I'm excited for Kyla Estrada. And we have, although she's a supporting character, si Asna Cabral has a role here. So, I'm excited for her. Of course, Maris Racal, kahit alam natin medyo may issue. But, the girl can really act. And, yeah, we should really separate yung personality sa palabas. So, yeah. Looking forward to her role here na parang, I guess, Black Widow. Baka parang ganun because she's like, she's like a seductress but at the same time she fights and everything. So, yeah. I guess I'm gonna stick around and watch the second episode if I have time because, ang medyo tinututukan kong Tagalog series ngayon is yung Channing I can do this. It says Section E or Classroom E. Yeah, Section E. Something like that. Yun sa Viva. So, yeah. That's it. Yeah. I'm so sorry. Yeah, ang gusto ko sa ABS soaps, or palabas, series, whatever, lagi na bring up yung land grabbing, which is a big issue sa Pilipinas. So, good job, ABS. Good job.